Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you will fine and good and safe. I'm your teacher Saratnan, and today I will explain you the essay writing, that how to write an essay. I'll give you some tricks, some points that you can write easily essay. Now let's move on the topic. Writing an essay. A paragraph is a short, independent passage containing one principal idea at its center. That's called the paragraph and essay writing. An essay is a composition on a specific topic comprising 4 or more paragraphs where each paragraph is an expansion of one idea related to the topic. It is the definition of an essay. Now, writing an essay can also be explained as an attempt at self-expression, to be able to express one ideas, feelings, personal opinion, give information, or convince other about one's point of view. All these are aspects of essay writing. So, types of essays. First is descriptive essay. This consists of the description of something or somebody. Writing a descriptive essay is like painting a word picture using specific and concrete details. A descriptive essay can be written on people, place, or object. Then narrative essay. This tells about events that happen in a sequence in time. These may relate to one's own experience or to those of others. A narrative writing unfolds the events in a chronological order. Narrative essays are usually written in the first person. Then argumentative essays. This type of essay aims to convincing the reader to agree with the writer's ideas, opinion, or attitude. When writing an argumentative essay, you must be clear about your opinion and the stand that you wish to take. You can use a variety of techniques to construct an argument. You may give facts and or examples, relate incidents, and present opposing views. An effective and convincing argument is the one that is supported by evidence. Always support your opinion with proof from the world around you. Then, analytical essay. This essay is an attempt to study any topic by exploring and examining all its aspects and the relationship between these aspects. In order to write an analytical essay, you can try answering the following question about the topic you have chosen to write on. First, What is the subject under discussion? Why is the subject important? What are the various aspects of the subject? What is the importance of each of those aspects? How are they related to each other? How do they combine to leave an impact on the reader? When writing an analytical essay, it is important to state the main idea of the composition in the beginning. Then idea should be expanded with the support of information and example. Usually analytical essays are written in the present tense. Then comes to how to write an essay and which points are being used to write an essay. When you are writing an essay, the following aspects must be kept in mind: ideas or the subject matter, appropriate vocabulary and expressions, organization of ideas, coherence, grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Now, the writing process. The writing process involves planning, drafting, and revising. The following guidelines can be helpful for writing an essay, like choice of the topic, collection of ideas, organizing the ideas. First, you must choose a topic that interests you. The subject of your essay should be a topic about which you want to express your ideas. Then, collection of ideas. Write down everything you know about your topic. One way of generating ideas is by putting simple questions to yourself like what, where, when, why, or how. Now, organizing the ideas. Now that you have all the material, prepare an outline of the essay. By organizing these ideas, you must remember to pull all the connected ideas together and discard the irrelevant points. These points should now be arranged in a logical scheme. Now, writing the essay, you have an outline ready before you. Now, write the first draft by developing the ideas and filling in details. It is good to have a topic sentence for each paragraph so that the reader may understand exactly what the paragraph is about. Revising the essay. Revise your essay before writing the final draft. Check your essay to see if you have included all the material you wanted. You may rewrite unclear sentences or rearrange ideas in a different order. You must also check vocabulary, spellings, sentence, structure, and tenses. Writing the final draft. When you think that you have corrected your mistakes, write a neat final draft. of your essay. Then come to the components of an essay. An essay is essentially divided into three parts: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. The paragraph with which you begin your essay form the introduction. The introductory paragraph should capture the interest of the reader so that he feels encouraged to read further. You may begin with an anecdote, relevant statistics of facts, or by talking about why the topic is important to you. The body of the essay comprises of two or more paragraphs. Each paragraph should explain a separate idea related to the topic. The paragraph should present your ideas clearly and have examples to support your argument. The closing paragraph of the essay forms the conclusion. The concluding paragraph should reinforce the main ideas of the essay without sounding repetitive. The conclusion should not read like the introduction. A concluding paragraph often includes an effective sentence that can create an impact on the reader's mind. Now, picture composition. If you are writing on the picture, so how to write the picture composition? Let's see. This involves writing an essay that focuses on a specific image or is inspired by the theme of an image. A given picture can be developed into a composition in any of the ways mentioned. Weave a story around the subject of the picture. Take the picture as a starting point and develop the composition further. But there must be a clear connection between the picture and your composition. Write about something that the picture reminds you of. Your composition would then be based on a personal memory. So here is the points that will be followed by writing an essay. First, students should be allowed to carry mobile phones to school. The most forgetful person I ever knew. Women and men are equally suitable for all professions. Advertisement and their effect on children. Computers and their importance in school education. Exam stress, its causes, and how to deal with it. So, these are the followings of the essay that you'll be followed when you are writing an essay. Now, students, let's move on the explanation in expanded form that how we can write the essay and which things we are needed and what type of thinking we needed for writing an essay. So let's move on. Now, students, I'm going to explain in short in Urdu also that how to write an essay. Definition is an essay is a composition on a specific topic comprising four or more paragraphs, where each paragraph is an expansion of one idea related to the topic. मीन्स कि जब आप ऐसे कंपोजिशन राइट कर रहे हो तो सबसे पहले जो है आपको अपने टॉपिक को देखना होता है. उसके बाद जब आप अटेम्प्ट कर रहे होते हो तो आप अपना सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन को देखना है. क्या आपके अंदर सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन कितने आते हैं और आप इस काबिल हो कि उस टॉपिक को अपने आइडियाज़, फीलिंग्स और पर्सनल ओपिनियन या जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है वो तमाम की तमाम आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू के मुताबिक ऐसे का रूप ले सकते हैं या आप ऐसे उस मुताबिक लिख सकते हो. तो इन सब चीज़ों को जो है आसान तरीके से ये कहा जाता है कि जब आप ऐसे लिख रहे हो तो आप अपनी ऐसे राइटिंग को डिवाइड कर दें. डिवाइड कैसे कि फर्स्ट आप कलेक्ट करें अपने आइडियाज़, फीलिंग्स, opinions or information. If you have collected all these things, then you can write an essay easily. If you do not, then you cannot write an essay. If you don't have any kind of ideas, opinions, feelings, information about related to that topic, then you cannot write the essay. And the most thing, if you are writing an essay, you should know that what kind of or type of essay you are writing. You are writing descriptive essay, narrative essay, or argumentative essay. If you are writing any types of essay, so you have to collect the information about these types of information to rate that your topic. Means if you are writing in descriptive essay, so you have to description of something or somebody. You have to descriptive an essay like a painting word, picture. You can use specific concrete details. If you are writing descriptive essay, you can be written on people, place, or object. If you are writing narrative essay, then you have to need to tell about that events and happening in sequence or in that time, and they relate to one's own experience that is happened to one's another. If you are writing narrative writing, you should unfold the events in order and usually write that in first person. If you are writing argumentative essay, so this type of essay is convincing the aims, the readers agree, writers' ideas and opinions or attitude. When you are writing argument essay, you must clear your opinion that what you stand to wish to take. And you can show variety of techniques and construct an argument before, and you can give the fact, an example, relate the topic or incident, and present opposing views. If you are writing an argument essay, you need effective and convincing argument that is supposed by the event and evidence. And you always support your opinion, and you have to talk about the proof wherever you are, and whatever you're talking, you have an information about around the world and world around you. If you are writing an analytical essay, so you have to first attempt the study and topic, and exploring and examining that relation and aspect between these aspects, and then write that in analytical essay. So you have to follow the question that what is the subject under discussion, why is the subject important, and what are the various aspects of the subject, and what is the importance of each of those aspects, how are they related to each other, how do they combine to leave an impact on the reader. So these all questions are important to follow when you are writing an analytical essay. So in the writing of composition, you have to have main idea of the topic and explain that in your words and information with examples if you can. So writing an essay, how you can write the essay? First, if you are writing the essay, you have to follow the aspects must be kept in your mind. That is ideas or the subject matter. It is more important that you have an idea or have matter on which topic you are talking or discussing. Then appropriate vocabulary and expressions. If you are writing an explanation or any composition, then you have more and more appropriate your vocabulary and expressions. That can you can write an essay. If you don't have any kind of much vocabulary, then you cannot write an essay. Then first, organization of ideas. Just think about the topic and their related ideas in a single paper, then write in a proper way, in order. Then you have to look the grammar. In that essay, you are using a correct grammar. In grammar, you have to write and watch the sentence making and tenses, that you have used the correct tense and the sentence is going to be a right or wrong. And that sentence showing the sense or insensible. Then after you have got that your essay is good and no tense mistake in that, then you have to check the spelling and punctuations too. You have to see if any kind of spelling mistake in that. If you have collected your ideas, matter, vocabulary, grammar, spelling mistakes, and punctuations, then comes to the process. What's the process of the writing an essay? You should be involved planning, drafting, and revising. And your helpful will be the choice of the topic, ideas, and organizing the ideas. If you have choose the topic, then you must be interested in that. And subject should be a topic or an essay which you want to express your ideas. Then after collection of ideas, write down everything you know about your topic. Write down it and just make it one generating ideas, putting simple question by yourself like you are you can be used WH questions. Then after collect your ideas about material preparation, outlines, and organize your idea in that. You should now be arranged in logical scheme. Writing an essay is divided in three types and three parts like introduction, the body, and the conclusion. These three parts will be appeared in your essay when you are writing. When you are writing your essay, that's introductory part should be interested that readers take interest to read about your essay and he is interesting to reading your essay. He like your essay and gets interest to read more. And you are talking about the facts in your essay and evidence and proofs and your information. And paragraph should be clear and support your argument and informative that you have talking about the fact and giving the information about that topic on that you have right. If you are giving the example, that's much better. And the last one comes to conclusion part. The conclusion part should be reinforce of the ideas and of the topic that clarify your topic information. Conclude part always gives the information about the fact and effective sentences that affect on your ideas and topic. So students, I have explained you the writing on essay. Hope you got it. If you have any kind of problem and query, you can ask in your group. I will explain you again that how to write an essay. So Till then, bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.